Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. I decided to talk about a little bit of this drawing process. I started with pencil. I just marked some places, eyes, nose, the mouth, the ears. You can see my tools on the right side. I don't care about the likeness in the beginning, I just want to put down some key elements on the paper. The only thing I care about is the size of the head a little bit, and if I get it like 80% right, I'm happy with that. So I sketch really fast in the beginning and I draw what I see, just to get the composition also right, the relationships between nose, eyes, mouth. This blending sponge helped me a lot to put down the big shapes, shading really fast and blending together. I used 3 different charcoal sticks, soft, hard and one in the middle. I usually start with sketching with the one in the middle. I also use my fingers for shading. A lot of back and forth in the drawing. Just want to have some big plans and put down the right value groups. This soft palette knife really helpful to build the shapes. It feels like I am painting with charcoal. Some sharp lines to define my drawing, or it the ends where the top, where is the bottom. If you have any question about the tools or the technique, just comment or send me a DM. I always try to use 4 or 5 values, not more than that. Maybe in the left side of the drawing you can see it. It's almost clear from dark to the light. So the values is like 4 or 5 values. Use eraser for designing my shapes, highlighting, and just dust away some charcoal. By the way, this video is speeded up 2-3 times, so you don't think I am drawing as fast as I am doing now. I squint a lot to just see the shapes clear and the values. I also recommend the mirrors. Black mirror is one of them for see the value groups. I try not to go to the details fast. Sometimes I do the mistakes and I draw the details. So it's a good idea to wait until the end. You want to focus on the big shape, big value groups, almost like abstract painting. So I draw with charcoal the mouth, and I blend a little bit the values together and smudging. And redraw again. What I am doing, why I am doing this is because in the beginning I am not drawing correct. I just focus on get something on the paper and work from there and moving the lines around. So it's drawing or painting is so much about doing some small mistakes and correct them and move around and change the values, change the angle, change the color. So it takes time to build up. Really good news today. I just passed 1k subscribers. I appreciate that a lot. Thank you for your support, and I hope you enjoy my content. Sorry for the sound in the background. It's me breathing sometimes, and sometimes you hear cars driving outside my studio. I will try harder next time with my audio. I use harder charcoal here, so I don't want to get it too dark, my values. And as you can see, I'm bringing up the mouth again by just different values and draw a little bit, not too much, just some elements, some accent that help the drawing pump out a little bit. As I said, it's a lot of work around the mouth, the nose, and the eyes, the edges. You have to break the shapes down to smaller and smaller. I'll go back to the blending sponge. It's really nice to design your drawing with this tool. I really like it. As you can see, I now draw some, some details. So I did in the beginning. I don't do that so much. I need to draw the plan right before everything, and the value somehow right. Then I can go and bring up some details. I blend all together a little bit. back and forth, back and forth. Charcoal is probably my favorite tool for drawing because it's going really fast and you can do some expressive portraits, shade fast, drawing really fast. In the beginning it's helpful to learn to draw the shapes with just charcoal stick or pencil, but when you get more experienced, so you can use your fingers, spoon or stamp. I hope you enjoyed this one. If you have any question, comment or send me an email. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.